Good morning, YouTube. It's 4 a.m. Just reading up an article on the virginity fetishism in Muslim countries. There are apparently operations done by gynecologists called a hymenoplasty, where they replace your hymen before you get married. I don't understand why a woman needs to bleed on her wedding night in order to be considered a worthwhile bride. I mean, the men can go out and they can, have all the women they want, but when they marry, God, if their woman doesn't bleed, they're garbage. And to think that, what the women have to handle in Africa too, that they have to have their clitoris cut off because the men are afraid that they'll go crazy and, leave them or something. It just makes me thankful I live in a country that isn't so, how do I say, I'm trying to think of the right words, so far behind as far as evolution goes. Not to say that that was probably a wrong choice of words. I'm glad that we are more open-minded and forgiving of ourselves. Just a thought.